Okay, so I added the fragrance, which was Merry Berry Christmas from Be Scented, and it turned my light tan gold into a kind of pukey-ish yellow green. I really, really, really hope that it goes back to that tan. And if it doesn't, guess that is what it is. But I'm hoping. So this is a weird soap design. It is, I made this Highland Cow extruder disc, and I've wanted to test it, and I finally just made it for Christmas. Now, Highland Cow and Christmas doesn't quite go together. So anyways, I'm gonna have one batch that is just the cow itself, and then one batch where I added a Santa hat to it. And I have Christmas lights. You can also see that I did not assemble this well. So this was a very challenging set to put together. I also didn't have enough light brown, so I tried mixing some browns, and you can see varying shades of success there. Oh shoot, I just lost the horns. Ay, ay, ay. And this is starting to get a little thick on me. Oh, I can't deal with this. So well, let me get this in. Ay, ay, ay. Everything's going wrong. Maybe I can just use the soap to stick it on. Let's see. So anyways, what I learned with this extruder disc is how not to put it together. There are definitely I might do a video on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to list this disc yet for sale because it does have its issues. I don't know. I might have to play with it a little bit more and see. But I was definitely just... It's going to be interesting to cut it. So this is just the regular one. I said it will be interesting to cut and see what we get, and oh man, this is such an ugly color. I really hope it goes back. Oh wow. And also I made these lights. I was going to put them, embed them on top. But the cow is a little bigger than I anticipated. I don't know. Yeah. This is a little bit of a mess. Oh boy. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have when I cut this. Should be interesting. Oh my gosh, and the soap is getting thick. I'm dying. Oh my gosh, look at how much this fragrance discolored. It is, I mean, at least it's not puke green, so I'll take that. And if it had to go dark gold, I guess this was the design for it to go dark gold in. But oh my gosh, I am just like, let's cut this and see. I mean, the inside's brown, so like the embed, so hopefully it all works, but ay ay ay. Okay. So, oh boy. Oh, look at that yellow. Oh my gosh, you can tell he is so skewed because he did not get put together correctly. That being said, I actually, how did my light bulb detach? I kind of like the hat and the lights. Like, I'm like, okay, I can deal with that. Oh, what the heck? Okay, so here you can see a little bit more of that gold mica line. It was supposed to be like a string of lights hanging from it. This was way bigger than I anticipated. This probably would have worked in the tall and skinny because he's much bigger. So the lights, like I said, it was tough getting everything to fit. I mean, it could be a whole lot worse, so I'll take it. I'm going to assume that the inside yellow is going to morph into this outside gold dark tan. Gosh, it was so hard putting this together. Like, I definitely learned a few things, and I think I might create two versions of the disc. I don't know. I have to go back. But this is why I test everything and play with it before it ever gets listed, so that I make sure it all works and I can work out all the tweaks. I mean, if this gets darker, you're probably going to lose that line. But I do like it. Yeah. It's, again, not quite as bad as I was expecting it to be. Not quite what I was going for either, but that's okay. Let me know what you think.